Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for debt. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though I have this debt and I feel stuck, I'm acknowledging it now. Even though I have this debt and it weighs me down, I want to find a way to accept myself anyway. Even though I have this debt and it feels like I can never be free of it, I'm open and willing to seeing solutions I haven't thought of before. Top of the head. This debt. Eyebrow. I feel stuck. Side of the eye. It weighs me down. Under the eye. I feel like I can never be free of it. Under the nose. It makes me feel bad. Under the chin. Maybe even ashamed. Collarbone. And even guilty. Under the arm. Guilty because I've made some bad choices. Under the ribs. I should have known better. Onto the wrist. I should have been more careful. Top of the head. This debt. Eyebrow. And everything it means to me. Side of the eye. I'm open and willing. Under the eye. To finding new solutions. Under the nose. And what if I could get curious about this debt? Under the chin. What if this debt has been preventing something? Collarbone. Keeping me from doing something that my subconscious is afraid of. Under the arm. Who would I be? Under the ribs. And what would I do if I was free of this debt? Onto the wrist. Maybe I would show up in my life in a bigger way. Top of the head. And maybe in the past when I did that, eyebrow, it didn't go so well and I felt unsafe. Side of the eye. I want my body and subconscious to know under the eye, that I don't need this debt to hold me back anymore. under the nose. Because it's time to thrive. Onto the chin. With or without this debt, I choose to shine. Collarbone. And I'm open to all the ways that this debt can get taken care of. Under the arm. It's now safe for me to be debt-free. Onto the ribs. It's now safe for me to thrive. Onto the wrist. I choose to feel grateful. Staying on the wrist. I choose to feel free. And I choose to thrive. And taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day or whenever you feel stressed, so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind. And remember, when you heal the relationship with yourself, everything changes for the better.